takes up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into.
Hey guys, welcome back into another video. If this is your first time here, gorgeous, you're welcome. My name is Chelsea. So today I will be styling this hair for you guys. I have done a review of this hair before. This wig is from Amanda Hair. So I'm going to link the video I did on the unboxing of this hair and the installation of the hair. I'm going to link the video here in case you have not seen it. So this wig is Amanda Jerry Coiling Ombre Hair, blonde T1B/30 color, middle part lace front human hair wig, 180 density, T-part frontal wig, and this hair is under $100. Like I said, I have done a review of the hair before, so this is the second time of me wearing this wig. I brought it out before I kept it. The first time I wore the wig, I did not do anything to it. So this time around, I'm trying to brush it to see if I can wear. If you're the type that like big hair, if you can wear it like this. You can see I did not add anything, just brush it the hair out. So by the way, this video is sponsored by Amanda Hair. Thank you, Amanda Hair, for sponsoring this video. Please, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. So I want to straighten the hair because I want to coil it. So I'm using this styling mousse. Apply it on the hair for me to be able to straighten it. You guys know coily hair, to straighten coily hair is not easy.
There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
So I'm going to leave the link to this hair in case if you're interested. The direct link to this one, like I said, is affordable, is under $100. I'm going to leave the information about the wig on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. So you can see that I straighten the hair. So I'm going to do portion by portion, then I'm going to straighten it before coiling the hair. And in the first video, I said that it tangles little, okay? But wearing it the second time, you guys saw the way I was brushing it, there was no tangle. Unlike the first time I brushed this hair. Then I added water just to soften it so that I can straighten it as fast as possible. You can see that the hair is big. So to straighten all this is a lot of work.
The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, cause you are scared that I might leave you. Well, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way.
I appreciate that it takes coils so well. You guys see, when it comes to coiling of hair, I'm very lazy. So you can cut smaller portion in case if you want to coil yours. If you get this wig, you will see the coils will define so well, so well. But I just decided to cut it big because seeing the full thing I'm going to do, I will not lie to you guys, I'm kind of scared. So that is why I'm cutting big portion. So if you want to do yours, you can cut small. If you want the coils to really define more, coil well, just cut little portion. That styling mousse I apply to it.
Baby, won't you hear me?
vibe I was going for is those 80s, 90s vibe, you understand? That Marie Antoinette, they call it in French. That's the vibe I was going for, okay?
Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are.
Voila, that is it. How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous is this? You see, I'm feeling myself. The hair looks so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I decided to wrap it by the side to give me that 90s or 80s vibe. So after that, I decided to brush out the coils, to comb back the coils, because I want the coils of origin to come back. One thing I like with this hair, you can coil it, you can bring back the jewelry coil as you want, you can straighten the hair. In whatever way you want to carry this hair, you can.
Please don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are.
So I felt, okay, it's taking a lot of time, why not just wet it? So I took it off my head and I decided to wet it. Immediately I showered this hair, see the coils bouncing back to the first coils of origin. You can see that. This is magic, right? It's magic. You can do whatever you want with this hair. So I applied shampoo.
Don't talk to me that way. Ooh, I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so
So after shampooing the hair, I conditioned the hair as well. Then left it for the shampoo for the condition to sit for like 10 to 15 minutes.
the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get.
And after conditioning this hair, I did not wait for it to dry. I just wore the hair back like that because I was so tired. This video took me a whole day, the whole of that day. So I was so tired, I couldn't wait for it to dry, and I never want to use a hand dryer. So I just wore it like that. But you can leave it to dry before wearing it. Okay?
What do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, I'm golden. You see, what do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
That is it. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this very hair on the description box. It's affordable, it's of high quality, and you can see the coils is popping the way I like my coily hair to be. So I allow the conditioner to sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, then before washing it, brush it back. The review I did of this hair, the first video, I'm going to leave the link to it as well on the description box so that you watch that video. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Click on that bell icon, and if you like this video, support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys very, very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me